Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's another episode here on Ballin Builds, and in this episode we're jumping back onto the 1979 F350. We're going to be working on these bottom boxes for the cartel bed. Braden's still not here, unfortunately, so we have paper Braden. Anyways, but without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump right in. So coming over here to the boxes, my plan is to start by mounting this filler neck. Then we're going to start boxing out these bottom corners. That one will have a big box right there. This one might end up being just plated off, I'm not quite sure. But we'll start by figuring out where the filler neck needs to go. We'll build a custom plate for it, we'll mount it to it. Then we'll start framing out this box. We'll need to build a heat shield right here just to be safe, because there's about 2.5 inches right there between the fuel line and the exhaust pipe. We don't want to catch it on fire, so we'll do that. That's the game plan. Let's go ahead and let's start by mounting this filler neck. As you can see, I'm having some issues trying to line up this filler neck with the hole, this main gas cap hole. So I was thinking I was just going to cut it a little bit bigger, but I'm starting to really destroy the shape that I was trying to go for. But I went to Ace, I grabbed one of these. This is like a stat plate for a lot of those custom thermostats as well as lighting. It's just pretty much an electrician's plate. We're going to go ahead and cut that open a little bigger, and we're going to weld this on. I think I'm going to weld it on like this, where it has a nice recess, and then the filler neck will be able to bolt on right to it just like that. If not, I'll flip it over where it bumps out like that, and then the filler neck will be on this side. So that's kind of the rough plan. We're going to keep messing with it and see if we can make it look pretty good. I got this filler neck tunnel right here made. It's gonna go right here, just gonna bolt on. I wanted it to be removable, that way I didn't have to weld it on the truck, because I don't wanna risk catching any of the lines on fire. So that's all made. We need to make a little bit of a heat shield to go in between the exhaust and these fuel line pieces right here. We may end up actually shortening up this one, we'll see, but we'll throw a firewall right there, just a heat shield for the exhaust, and then we'll be good to remount this piece. Awesome. I went ahead and installed that heat shield for the exhaust. Also went ahead and installed this filler neck and its housing. Now we're gonna go ahead and start building out these boxes. Braden was supposed to, but he's just standing there smiling. Won't wipe that, won't wipe that smile off his face. But we're gonna go ahead now and start building out these boxes. We're just roughly gonna match the shape that's already there, but we're gonna bring it out to the width of this box. We'll do the same on this side, but this one will probably just be plated flat. because I don't know if there's gonna be enough room to store anything. So we'll start by boxing both of those in, and then we'll go from there.
Yo.
Okay, so I made a mistake. So I was measuring off this bar, trying to copy exactly how this bar is, and I did. I copied this one perfectly, right? It's the exact same length and everything, and that's the problem. It is the same length. It's supposed to go up to here instead of to this 2-inch. It goes all the way up to this 1-inch, meaning that it's too short down there. So I need to recut 4 of those. Beginner's mistake. I shouldn't have trusted his measurements, I guess. My bad. Now that we got both of these boxed out with 1-inch square tubing, we'll be good to cut some plating and start plating in our boxes. This one will be a little bit deeper. This one will be just on this back side with one single plate. It won't really be a box because there's not really any room right there. As well as we'll need to plate kind of behind these hinges just to make it all look a little fancy, because we like fancy. Oh shoot, Braden. Ah! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, I'm losing him. What the freak?
Now do my backside.
No, what the heck? Get back to work.
Please subscribe so I can buy new work shirts.
He's got some holes in it. Sacrifices were made.
I burnt my nipple.
Check it out, it's starting to look really good. We've got this all boxed in. We started plating off these sides by the hinges, just making them look better. That way when the boxes are up, it looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and continue to do that for this side. We've got to go a little bit higher right here. As you can see, there's some dead space right there. And we just want to make it look fancy. We also got some gas struts, some short ones. We'll see if they work. If not, we'll measure how long we need for gas struts and maybe order a set of those. But it's turning out pretty good, pretty happy with it.
Looks pretty clean. I'm satisfied. 10 out of 10 would build again. Might build differently, but would do it again.
I would do it again. Oh yeah, and Braden's back.
I've been here the whole time.
Anyways, let's go ahead and let's keep welding these out. All right, guys, this side is all boxed in. It's looking really good.
Finally.
Shut up. We went ahead and patched behind these hinges right here, making them look a lot cleaner. We even went ahead and threw in this triangle piece right here, strengthening up this hinge, and just making it look a little bit nicer. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump onto the other side. We're gonna start by doing the exact same thing, framing them out, and then we'll start plating them on this side as well.
Hopefully it's faster. 。 Sweet cheeks, dude. Colvin got this all strapped up. It looks good. All the wires out of the way. Now what we're going to do is Colvin's got these pre-cut to match the other side. So we're gonna mirror this box on the other side, and then we'll measure the distance between this and that box and start building that box out. So we're just gonna start framing again.
All right, guys, so we were gonna start plating these out, but this is a relay box. It has a few relays in it. We wanna have access to it. And the more we started looking at this with the exhaust coming in, there's still just not a lot of room. So we don't think it's worth boxing this out like how we did on the front side over there. We're just gonna plate it just like we did over there with the fuel cell. And we'll just cut out a little rectangle, bring this forward, and that way you still have access to the fuse box right here with these relays. It'll also give us room if we decide to mount any accessories right here or anything like that. If we end up doing a generator, we could do outlets right here, some plugs, something like that. So that's kind of our idea. We'll just plate it like how we did the other side, plate all this out, plate that out, and then box out that front corner. All right, guys, so we got these bottom boxes looking great. Now we're gonna go ahead, let down these sides, and we're gonna throw some angle iron right here on its side. We'll tack weld it to the side panel. The reason we'll do that, it'll get rid of this gap. It'll give us a nice edge all the way across. And then what we can do is with that angle iron, since it'll overhang 1.5 inches, we can throw a nice seal eventually when this is all painted, and that'll help seal off these boxes so water won't hit and run underneath. So that's the game plan. We have lots of angle iron. We'll cut them to length, one for each side, and we'll start tack welding them along the edge. All right, guys, check this out. So we went ahead and threw this on. It looks really good, but it added a ton of strength. Like if you try to move this thing, it's a lot more solid. And the reason is because before, when you'd pull on this side, it would kind of twist the whole panel and it felt really loose. But by adding this angle iron the whole way, it sturdied it up a lot. So now it's very solid, very good. And closing and opening it's a lot better. As you can see, when it's open, it's not bad either. It's still gonna be good. We may end up plating right here anyways, covering all of that, making the tailgate, or not the tailgate, the side boxes look a little thicker. I think that would be a good idea. But let us know what you guys think. Should we plate up this side, make it look thicker? Should we just plate the middle section from this bar to that bar and then just leave all this open? Let us know what you guys think down in the comment section below. But all in all, guys, really happy with how everything turned out. Really happy with these side boxes, how they're looking. They turned out pretty good. They're gonna end up being sealed. We have a special product for that we're gonna be using to seal them all up nicely. These angle iron that's on the top turned out really good. We'll eventually add on a little piece that covers right here where the hinges go through. And of course, we need your help in deciding if it's worth plating these sides or not. But all in all, it's coming together. Still needs gas struts, and we're looking at doing a bumper delete or roll pan on the rear. Let us know what you guys think. I think it looks sweet, and it'd be a lot cheaper than trying to find a chrome bumper.
and making it fit.
Exactly. But if you guys are interested in watching this build from the beginning, you should click on this playlist right here.
If you want to watch the 4-door truck build video, click on this one right here.
But with that being said, that's a wrap for today's video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Any last words?
Hasta piñata, pina colada.